So in today we are going to start with chapter decimals. Okay. In chapter decimal, we are going to learn how to change the decimal numbers into fractions, fractions into the decimal part. Okay. And what is tenth, what is hundredth, how to place it into the place value table. Okay. So we are going to learn this in the first exercise. So as you can see in question number 1, 8.1, see these blocks. These blocks contain 10. This first block is having 10 numbers. See 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count it, there are 10. So there are 3 pillars of 10. That means 30. 10 threes are 30. And next, that is ones. It contains only one block. So that is 31. And this 10th, TE and TH. What does that mean? 10th. That means 1 by 10. 1 upon 10. These 10th means 1 upon 10. Okay. So there are 2 tenths. That means you will put a decimal sign. And after that there are 2 tenths. So it will be, when you are filling in the table, so how you are going to fill? In this way. There are 10th. So after decimal, there are places like 10th, then 100th, then 1000. That means 10th is equal to 1 by 10, 1 by 100. And when you are making this table, you can see this. In this table, there is no 100th place. Only 3 tenths place is there. 1 only ones place and 2 tenth places there. That is 31.2. That is equal to 31.2. Yes, Chehak Agarwal, you are right. 31.2. Okay. And if you see the second box, in the second box, it is given that there is one box is of 100. One box is of 100. And tenths is one pillar of tenths and 4 tenths is there. That means 100. One will be coming at the 100th place. One will be coming at the 10th place. And no ones place is given over here. And 4 are 10th place. So it will be 110.4. Yes, Chehek, you are right. 110.4. Clear? Now let us understand the second question. Second question, in that you have to do it in your notebook. Okay, in this you have to make a place value table. Write the following decimals in the place value table. So make a place value table like this: 100, tens, ones and 10th place. As you can see, 9 is at the ones place. So we are writing 9 at ones place. 1 is at the 10th place. So we are writing 1 is at the 10th place. After decimal, this dot is known as a decimal. Laksh Jindal, please concentrate. After decimal, Adit Goyal, will you stop moving your chair and write it down in your notebook? Make a table in your notebook and start doing it. Yes, Jen, please adjust your camera. And 4 is at the 10th place, because after decimal, the first place is called the 10th place. TE and TH. After decimal, the first place is known as the 10th place. So at 10th place, 4 is given. So it will be 19.4, like that. So make a table, all of you. As you can see in the B part, 0.3 is given. So after decimal, only one digit is given. So that means 3 will be at the 10th place. Clear? Same in case of third part, 10.6. Here also 0 is at the ones place and 1 is at the 10th place. And this 6, which is after decimal, is at the 10th place. So it will be like that, 10.6. Arav Sharma, please write it. Make a table on your own and write it on your own. And please check your camera position also. Next is 205.9. Joel, please check your mic from your side. If you are not able to listen me. Check your mic, beta. Yes, in 205, 5 is at the ones place, 0 is at the 10th place, and 2 is at the 100th place. So 205. And you can see after decimal there is only one digit, that is 9. So 9 will be coming at the 10th place. In this way you are going to make the table and write the positions over there. If you're having any doubt in place value table, you can raise your hand. Here we have to change these numbers into decimals. So 7/10, that means 7 upon 10. 7/10 means 7 upon 10. And when you are changing this fraction into the decimal, as you can see in the denominator, only 1 0 is there. If the numbers are like that, children, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like these numbers, if it is given in the denominator, so the you have to count the number of digits in the denominator, number of zeros in the denominator, and you can put the decimal after decimal those number of digits. As you can see, 7 upon 10. In 7 upon 10, denominator is 10. Only 1 0 is there. That means after decimal, only one digit will be coming. Clear? If 1000 is there, that means 3 zeros are there. That means the number will be after decimal as of 3 digits. You can write it with pencil or pen, anything you can use, Rayan. Okay, so 0 point, when you are placing this number in the place value table, you will be getting 0.7. So 0.7 will be written like that. Let's move to the next one. 2 tenths, that means 20. 2 tenths is equal to 20. 9 tenths, that means 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10 means 0.9. 9 upon 10 is equal to 0.9. No, Chehek. So 2 tenths, it's not tenth, it's 2 tenths. So tenths will be at this place. So it will be 20.9. That's right. Okay, 2 is at the tenths place. So 2 tenths are 20. And 9 is at the 10th place. So that means 0.9. Let's see the next, 14.6. So it is very simple. You can write it like that only, 14.6. Isn't it? So it can come in both the forms, like this also, 14.6, or in the 10th form also. So you have to understand both the ways. Yeah. Next is 100 and 2 ones. That means 100 is equal to 100 and 2 is at the ones place. Ones place means equal to plus 2. 100 plus 2, that will be equal to 102. Yes, Chehek, that's right. But you have to write the numbers also, okay? Do the C part. Next is 600.8. That means 600 will be written as, how can we write, Avni? 600.8, how can we write it? Avni Agarwal. You're not audible. 600.8. How can we write? Ritima, check, right? Yes, Prapti.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
E part 600.8. How we can write it in numbers?
Oh, ma'am, 1 minute. 600. Ma'am, 608.
608.
Yes, ma'am.
600 will be written as 60. How can we write 600? Tell me.
Ma'am,
600.
ma'am, 6, 0 and 0. 600.
Then it's written point over there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to put point after 600 then.
Ma'am, 8.
Then after that you will be putting 8, na?
Yes, ma'am.
600.8. Right? Avni is wrong here. Inshallah Ahmad is right. So it will be 600.8. Clear? Understood? Just a second. Now show. Okay. Okay. That's right, Arvi. Good work. Okay, children, I think everybody has got the question because most of you have answered me in the chat box.